This is just a regular sparkling water bottle. You only need to cut the end part with the thread. You also need to remove the top of the lid, leaving it just like a ring. The inside diameter of this is about 1 inch, or 25 millimeters. Now you need a plastic bag, and cut an opening big enough to slide the threaded part of the nozzle but not the collar. All water bottles have this collar, which is bigger in diameter. If you rotate the cap of the bottle, the threads will secure the bag in place. You made yourself a piping nozzle. Now you can fill the bag with pastry, and secure the bag. You can pipe the pastry like this, for an example. This large diameter is perfect for piping eclairs. How easy!